My fellow colleagues, I'm Priyanka Hansraj on behalf of the Awards and Recognition Committee of the Alberta College of Family Physicians. Every year at the Family Medicine Summit is a celebration of the excellence in family practice across Alberta. This year, we continue the tradition and bring the spotlight on the remarkable work of our peers. Over the course of this weekend, we will be honoring and recognizing our fellow family physicians, as well as medical students and residents and clinics for their exceptional work, leadership, and contributions to family medicine. This year, we're fortunate to acknowledge 12 honorees as part of the ACFP Awards Class of 2023. It is my honor to present our first group of honorees, residents and medical students, who we regard as family medicine leaders and advocates of tomorrow. The ACFP presents the Family Medicine Resident Leadership Award to family medicine residents from the University of Alberta, as well as the University of Calgary, who exemplify a broad-based understanding and demonstration of family medicine. This year's 2023 Family Medicine Resident Leadership recipients are Dr. Alexandra Barris from the University of Calgary, Dr. Helen Kai from the University of Alberta, and Dr. Sky McIntosh from the University of Calgary.
My name is Dr. Alexandra Barris, and I am a recent family medicine grad from the University of Calgary's Lethbridge Rural Program. I'm currently practicing in Crow's Nest Pass, and I've just started. The ACFP Family Medicine Resident Award means a great deal to me. It's kind of the culmination of all of the work that has been put in over the last 2 years of residency and 4 years of medical school before that towards my goal of becoming a family physician. In the words of my good friend Barbie, I deserve this, I worked hard. I'd like to thank my nominator, Dr. Marissa Burns, all of my preceptors who have helped me become the family medicine doctor I am today, and my family, including my husband. I love family medicine because it allows me to practice continuity and take care of my patients throughout the lifespan and develop a really strong relationship with them. It's this reason that I chose family medicine, and the reason I chose rural was because I can practice all aspects of family medicine I love most: emergency medicine, obstetrics, and even inpatients. Enjoy the evening, all award recipients, and I hope that the summit inspires everybody to fall in love with family medicine again.
My name is Sky. I'm a recent graduate of the Calgary Urban Family Medicine Residency Program and currently locuming in Calgary for both family clinic and low-risk obstetrics. I would like to thank the Alberta College of Family Physicians for this Resident Leadership Award. I know it's a tough time to be in family medicine right now, but I really love the career that I chose due to the variety of clinical presentations and undifferentiated patients that I get to see without having to choose one patient population or part of the body. I enjoy the flexibility of a career in family medicine, where one day I am supporting patients with things like diabetes or mental health in family clinic, and the next I'm seeing parents and their newborns in maternity clinic or actually delivering that baby in the hospital. I really appreciate being nominated for this award by our program director, Lindsay Jancy, who was also honored with an award this year. Sometimes you believe you are working hard at something, supporting your peers and colleagues, and trying to make positive changes to their experiences in residency. But it's not always easy to know if you're actually making a real difference. So this award is meaningful in showing me that myself and the excellent people that I worked with were making a positive impact on somebody else. I want to thank the amazing people in the Calgary Family Medicine Residency Program who supported me through my training and helped open the doors for leadership and advocacy opportunities. People like Lindsay Jancy, Martina Barton, Penny Borgeson, Mary Cedeno, all of the fantastic preceptors at the South Health Campus Family Medicine Teaching Clinic, Tony Morris, Tanis, Amber, and Linda. I also want to thank my family for always being there for me, and my partner Anthony for supporting me every single day, whether that's listening to me talk for hours about my residency program and my career, or being so helpful when I had a busy week with many evening meetings as chief resident. I would definitely not be where I am today without any of you.
Congratulations, Drs. Barris, Kai, and McIntosh. To present our next award, I'd like to introduce my fellow committee member, Dr. Vivek Kumar.
Thank you, Dr. Hansraj. Our next award is the Student Leadership Rising Star Award. This award is offered to medical students who demonstrate a genuine interest in family medicine and lead by example in advocacy, community service, and/or education. The recipients of our Student Leadership Rising Star Awards are Paige Campbell from the University of Calgary and Stephen Gus Scott from the University of Alberta.
My name is Stephen Guscott. I'm a rural family medicine R1 and recent graduate of the University of Alberta in 2023, coming to you today from Red Deer. This Rising Star Award represents countless hours of Zoom meetings, late-night emails, and attempts to extinguish various crises while leading the U of A Medical Students Association, all in an effort to improve medical education at the U of A in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. I'd like to thank my nominators, Dr. Samantha Horvey, Dr. Darren Nichols, Dr. David Wannenberg, and my biggest mentor, Dr. Joanne Robinson, who kindly put up with me as a third-year clerk in Edson for 10 months in the middle of the pandemic, and remarkably was still willing to write me more reference letters after CARMS was over. There are also many more peers and mentors than I've listed here who've made a profound impact on me over the years, and to them, I'd like to say thank you as well. I love family medicine for two reasons: the long-term relationships we can build with our patients, and the impact we can have on their lives because of those relationships. I saw a glimpse of this as a medical student completing an longitudinal integrated clerkship alongside a dedicated role model and preceptor. And as a resident, I've seen the difference I can make. I'm hopeful to continue and take up the role of comprehensive primary care in the future as well. Thank you.
Congratulations, Paige and Stephen. This concludes the first of our award presentation, but this is just the beginning. Please note that the ACFP is now accepting nominations for the 2024 awards and encourage you to nominate a fellow family medicine advocate. Visit the ACFP's website to go to the Nominate a Colleague page, or find it in the I Want to Search box on the homepage for more details. Nomination closes on April 1st, 2024. Join us tomorrow as we celebrate our 2023 Recognition of Excellence and Outstanding New Professional Honorees. Thanks, and see you there.